Okay, it is another commission works from a customer from Australia. So she ordered bearded dragon, and now it's finished. So it made from thick wood, natural thick wood. So the theme is the bearded dragon is lying on the leaves and holding the leaves like that. So if you would like to make a order or commission works, please let me know on my video or leave a comment here, and then I will share you my phone numbers. Thank you, hope you like it.